Ready for 40 English questions? Challenge your knowledge. First question starts now. Find the closest synonym of playful. Answer C. Mischievous. Which is a synonym of eat? Answer A. Consume. What does bring to light mean? Answer D. Reveal. What does on the same page mean? Answer C. Agree. Choose the antonym of liberate. Answer A. Imprison. What is the antonym of slim? Answer C. Bulky. Choose the antonym of bring. Answer B. Take. Choose the correct plural of application. Answer D. Applications. What is the plural form of impetus? Answer A. Impetuses. Choose the correct plural of competency. Answer B. Competencies. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D. He appears to have lost his keys. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C. He could have misunderstood the instructions. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. Each of the teams has assigned a mentor. What is the past form of steal? Answer D. Stole. Choose the past tense of overfly. Answer C. Overflew. Choose the correct spelling. Answer A. Document. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B. Careless. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Collapse. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Replicate. Which is a synonym of huge? Answer C. Enormous. Pick a synonym of aged. Answer B. Ancient. Choose a synonym of pull. Answer D. Tug. What does rise to the occasion mean? Answer C. Do well. What does bite the bullet mean? Answer A. Do it anyway. What does rub salt into the wound mean? Answer C. Make it worse. Choose the antonym of validate. Answer D. Invalidate. Opposite of dark. Answer B. Light. Choose the correct plural of foot. Answer C. Feet. What is the plural form of democracy? Answer D. Democracies. Choose the correct plural of elementary school. Answer A. Elementaries. Fill the gap. Answer C. The impact of his decisions affected everyone. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. Provided that you try hard, you'll succeed. Fill the gap. Answer D. She has few friends who can help her move. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. I'm too tired to go out tonight. What's the past tense of hide? Answer A. Hid. Choose the past form of wed. Answer D. Wed. Just 4 more to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Implicate. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Indifferently. Identify the correct spelling. Answer B. Command. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Generally. Congratulations! Amazing work! How did you score? Comment below and subscribe.